Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. But just before I start today's video, if you're wanting to create a trading account on our brand new trading platform that you can see in front of us, then you can do so simply by scrolling down and clicking on the link at the top of this video's description. But back to the Nasdaq 100 markets, and as you can see this week we have skyrocketed towards the upside, and unfortunately my stop loss was triggered during today's trading session on my close trade. If I just go and show you that trade here, that's here, I lost 266, so 2.66% of my overall account balance. So my stop loss up at 14,350, and we just sliced through it like a knife slices through butter, and we did go and touch the 14,400 level. Looks to me now that we're very likely to go and target 14,500. Do I want to buy at these high levels? Absolutely not. I don't want to give into FOMO, but 14,500, due to the fact it's a large psychological figure, it should offer some target area where perhaps the bears will step back in and push us a bit lower. Also, if we just look at the RSI now, let's see where we are currently at the RSI. So yes, as you can see, RSI is now becoming a little bit overbought. We're now at 69.66. Anything that is above 70, so if I just dragged up to 70, there we go, we would be considered overbought. And if we just, last time when we were trading up at 70, we saw a nice down movement here. So that could be very similar, a very similar picture going forward as well. We could see a pullback down towards 1400. That would be fantastic. So I might open up a small short position if we go as high as 14,500. I don't really want to buy, as I just mentioned, up at 14,386, because personally I think that the risk outweighs the profit towards the upside. So I am going to stay patient here in the Nasdaq 100, and going into tomorrow's session I'm going to see whether the Nasdaq 100 does offer a fantastic selling opportunity. But for now, I'm pretty much going into the end of the week with one trading session still to go, with making $468, which of course is a 4.68% price increase onto my account overall, as I did start with 10,000 back on Monday. So it hasn't been a bad week trading at all.